In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard in Monday.com, a tool that streamlines your project management and team collaboration efforts. Creating a dashboard in Monday.com is a straightforward process that will help you visualize and track your team's progress in a more organized and efficient way. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you need to navigate to Monday.com by opening your web browser and logging into your account. If you are new to Monday.com, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. Now, let's head to the home page where you can see your current boards and projects at a glance. From here, you're all set to begin the process of creating a new dashboard. Next, you will want to look for a small plus icon, which is usually situated on the left navigation panel or somewhere on the main menu, depending on how your UI is configured. This little plus sign is your entryway into adding new elements to your Monday.com workspace, including our goal for today, a dashboard. After clicking the plus sign, a drop-down menu will appear, showcasing several different options. Here, you should see an option labeled Dashboard. Go ahead and click on it. This option will direct you to a new page specifically designated for creating dashboards. This is essentially where you lay the foundation for the dashboard that will help keep your team on track. Once you've clicked on Dashboard, the next step is to give your dashboard a name. It's essential to choose a name that reflects the purpose of the dashboard and makes it easy for your team to identify what it relates to. For instance, if the dashboard is for a specific project, naming it something relevant, like Q3 Marketing Campaign Overview, will help everyone quickly recognize its purpose. Type this name into the designated field. With your dashboard name entered, you're now one click away from starting your dashboard. Look for the Create Dashboard button prominently displayed on the page and give it a click. This action will create the foundation of your dashboard, ready for you to customize with various widgets and data from your boards. And there you have it. You've successfully created a new dashboard in Monday.com. By following these steps, you'll have an organized space to manage your work visually, track important metrics, and keep everyone aligned. As you become more familiar with dashboards, feel free to explore the various widgets and settings Monday.com offers to enhance your team's productivity and insights. Thank you for watching and enjoy optimizing your workspace with personalized dashboards.